Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Trevor Dixon. We got 212 VXF Scar on 23500 RP strap.
Okay. Sweet. Did you build the box?
I did.
Okay.
Yep. And then we got underneath we got two 220 North Star batteries.
Awesome.
I tuned it at 31, but yeah, around 33 it's peaking, and then again at like right about 52, 53.
Yes, sir. Wow, high peak too.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got two. It's real subtle, that little, we call it like a plateau.
Yeah.
It's kind of a subtle, but there's two peaks right around 33, 53.
I see you got the 145 plus sticker.
Yeah.
Awesome. So what are you metered?
145, 145.3 on the windshield,
Okay.
147.1 on the headrest.
So louder right here than there.
A little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
Might be because of how far your port box is.
Yeah.
Can I see the box real quick?
Absolutely.
Very nice. Give a like for Trevor. Great. Reckless audio. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walkthrough and just got a Trevor system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Go ahead and give him a like if you enjoyed that quick walk around and his system, and comment what you like about his system. Definitely impressive output for a pair of 15-inch subs and a big SUV. So got a 4-minute bass demo he's going to be giving us in this video later. So if you notice the way the actual subwoofers are inverted, these are rated at 2,000 watt RMS, the subs. He has them on 7,000 watts between the two amplifiers he was saying. Pretty impressive box. I like the whole layout and the way that he has his port on the passenger side, so all the pressure goes to the driver. And the SPL score was also impressive, seeing that he was louder on the headrest instead of on the glass. Very abnormal for that. And having 2 frequency peaks. If you're looking to try to get as loud as possible with your own system without spending more, just get an SPL meter and test and tune with that. So having the box inverted with the subs like this gives a little bit more space. So anybody tries that out, I always notice. And a very unique style to have all of his wiring job right here behind the back seat and underneath of the box. So when you can put your amplifier and battery bank underneath the box with a chamfer lift on it, it helps with utilizing a lot more space. So you have your family vehicle, daily driver, and you don't have to really sacrifice. And it's a nice clean install. So thumbs up to him for that. We're getting to the demo now. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of videos on car audio every single day, a different system for demos. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and enjoy this demo. I love a demo, man.
Yeah. I'll just play this song. This is a pretty good demo song.
Okay. Window down or up?
30, mid 30 hertz range seems it does pretty good.
Yeah. I tuned it at 31, but yeah, around 33 it's peaking, and then again at like right about 52, 53.
Yes, sir. Wow, high peak too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got two. It's real subtle, that little, we call it like a plateau.
Yeah.
It's kind of a subtle, but there's two peaks right around 33, 53.
I see you got the 145 plus sticker.
Yeah.
Awesome. So what are you metered?
145.3 on the windshield,
Okay.
147.1 on headrest.
So louder right here than there.
A little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
Might be because of how far your port box is.
Yeah.
Can I see the box real quick?
Absolutely.
Very nice. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Trevor Dixon.
Trevor. Awesome. Give a like for Trevor.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.